This is Serena, and Serena is in the color Cold Coffee Brown, and she is human hair and beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on for you. So this is Serena on. So Serena is 16 inches long, and she's 130% density, so there's a good chunk of hair here. She has temple to temple lace and a full lace top. I will go ahead and take off the wig for you so that you can see the cap construction. So here's the inside of Serena's cap. As I was saying, she has a full lace top. So the nice thing about lace tops is that they allow you to part the hair on whichever side you'd like. And it has the temple to temple lace front, which makes for a really natural hairline. It has ear tabs. So the ear tabs are good because it allows you to keep it secure against your head. So this is a wig that you won't need any glue for. And then on the ear tabs, it has these combs. So if you do have your own bio hair, the combs will be good for helping secure the wig even better on your head. However, for someone like me, I'm probably going to remove the ear tabs because they do dig into my head quite a bit. Other than those things, it is a closed wefted cap. So with the wefts, it just means that the hair is sewn on into rows. And then it also has these adjustable straps at the nape of the neck, just to allow you to loosen and tighten the wig around your head. I'll go ahead and put her back on. So one thing that I really love about Serena is just the simplicity of her. She's just this really nice neutral brown color, and she's just all one length. There's no layers. It's all just 16 inches long and nice and simple. While I'm here, I'll turn around for you so you can see all angles of the wig. So overall, I do really love the style of this wig, especially for myself.